What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So smartphone companies have been launching their devices in China without Google mobile services. Since all Google platforms are banned in the Asian country, however, users were usually able to download them if they were planning to use the phone outside of China through a VPN. But usually though, Google services are not common in China, and more importantly, major Chinese companies are now getting banned from using Google services. It's mainly because most of the advanced technologies for developing end products are American, and nowadays, Chinese companies are facing a huge battle with America. Huawei has been handling the US ban for years now, and recently United States added Xiaomi, which is a world-leading smartphone brand, into the same blacklist category. And as a result though, now latest Xiaomi devices in China will not get Google mobile services out of the box just like Huawei. Well, that's because some users of MIUI started reporting that they weren't able to install Google mobile services on their smartphones. And today Xiaomi confirmed that. Honestly, Xiaomi took a bold step. They said they will not ship Google mobile services on their smartphones in China. Yeah, right now it's limited to Chinese market, and it's not a big deal for them, since most devices in China do not support Google mobile services because Google services are banned in the country anyway. Xiaomi did not disclose the list of models affected by this policy change. However, Redmi K30 Ultra and the Redmi 10X 5G users have confirmed that they are no longer able to install Google apps. And I think in the near future, Xiaomi smartphones will not be able to ship with Android globally. I think they will collaborate with Huawei and will start shipping Harmony OS on their smartphones, which is basically Huawei's own operating system as an alternative to Android. But I think that will happen at the end. Well, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow find this video interesting, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.